Welcome to Biology. 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 Hey, Biology. Biology.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Beehive. Well, some people have been asking me about how I do my makeup. Well, I'm going to talk you through this one. Well, first what I do, I add my primer, and my primer is from e.l.f. Next, what I do is my eyebrows. Well, of course, you know, I have been back and forth with chemo, so I actually have eyebrows. So what I do is use my mascara to only darken my eyebrows that I have. Afterward, I just line them out, and I use the e.l.f. stick to make them a little bit stiffer and to pop out to the standards that I like. So you will see me do this. With this e.l.f. eyebrow stick, I have seen it in Dollar Tree, guys, so I did pick it up, but I pick it up from Walmart for $3. So now I am outlining my eyebrows with my Pro LA Girl concealer. And I do use two colors, but on this one, guys, I only use one, and it is light to medium brown. So here I have my upper and lowers, and now what I am doing is just blending in the concealer on my eyelids and above my eyebrows. So you will see me do this, and right after I will start just trimming in real lightly, and on the end I try to make sure that I have somewhat of a tip, because in real life I don't. So doing this method, it really highlights the tip and giving me a full eyebrow. So now I'm going to add in my foundation, and I am using CoverGirl, and the number is 3338. So many do use the sponge for the beauty blender, but I absolutely love my little brush, and I've been using this blend brush for quite some time, and I absolutely love it. Here I am using my Urban Decay Naked concealer up under my eyes. I do love it, and I am almost out. So I do pick this out from Ulta Beauty. So I go along and I blend this in as much as possible. And guys, yes, because I am up under, yes, 3 lights, my makeup looks very light. But at the end, you will see my makeup do blend in, because then I won't be up under all these lights. So through the process of me putting on my makeup, I do spray my face, and my spray that I use is by e.l.f. and I absolutely love it. Here I am again. I think probably that's my second one. You will see me do that many times, and I love it constantly set as I go. I do like to sculpture my face with my banana, but guys, I don't like the dark highlighter. Whenever I want to contour my whole entire face and just have my nose snatch, my forehead, under my chin snatch, I will use a darker concealer. So I did not do that on this one, but I would do it on down in another video. And this is my Morphe palette, guys. This is the palette that my children gave me for my birthday. And this Morphe palette, guys, I absolutely love. It has such warm fall colors, and it's just beautiful. I love it. It is long wearing. I did wear this makeup look here for over 9 hours, and guys, it was flawless every bit of the time. Okay guys, my mascara. This is a blue stick and it is made by NARS. I absolutely love this. I have no clue. I do have the black one by MAC, but the blue it looks absolutely so good once I put on my lashes. I absolutely love it. But guys, if you share a tear, you will have blue. So here is my MAC mascara. I absolutely love this MAC mascara. It has two different brushes in it. It has your brush for your bottom lash, and then it has a bigger brush for your top lash. So I absolutely love this MAC mascara. So now it is time to get all of this banana all over my face. And yes, guys, you see where it is so much lighter than I am. But it's because, like I said, all of these lights that is on me. Now, the big question everybody been asking me about my eyelashes. Guys, it is a technique. It is a learning process. I have not always been good at this. Yes, I have one daughter and she showed me what was the easiest way to do it. And believe it or not, guys, I have my license of cosmetology and I did makeup back in the day. But back then in the 90s, we wasn't wearing all these eyelashes, so I had to learn this technique. And now, guys, I put my lashes on in less than a half a second. So it's very, very easy how to put it on. If you want me to make a quick video of the 40 and over of your eyelashes, how to put them on, I will do so. Just drop it in the comment section below. So guys, getting a sip, that is my breakfast. It is my smoothie, it's my breakfast, guys. So now, what I am getting ready to do, I got to see where I got to be going today. So I am going to pop in my contacts, guys. So there will be no glasses today. I am going to be wearing my contacts. It's time to take off this hair scarf because you know what time it is, ladies. It is that wig girl time. Yes. So, guys, this wig I've had for 4 years, maybe a little bit over 4 years. So, I wear it, I curl it, I pin curl it, let it sit for days. I wash it, I take care of it. But guess what, guys? At the end of the day, the only thing I do to this wig when I'm not wearing it, I have a box that's up under my bathroom sink. I throw it in that box. But when I get ready to wear it, yes, girls, I make sure she looks good. So on this one, guys, I'm going to brush her out real good. I'm going to flat iron her. And I'm going to trim the ends because I have not trimmed the ends on this wig in probably about a year. So I'm going to let you watch me. So here I am trimming my ends. So I don't want a complete bend to my wig, my hair, I can say, my additional hat. So I'm just going to just wind it a little bit because I just want to give it just a slight bend on it. And this is my Conair flat iron that I purchased from Sally's. Oh goodness, about 3 years ago. So guys, here I am. I'm just bumping it good and yeah, brush it out and you will see the way it will turn out. Yes, guys, trim, 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 knocking those dead ends off. So, guys, I am loving her once again, and for some odd reason, I absolutely love bangs. I love me some good cut bangs. I can flip it, toss it, put it straight down. So and behind that ear, girl, what? Make that thing look so sexy. So guys, it's getting close to the end of showing you how everything looks all put together. So it is time to get my lips together. And I love the ombre lip. I have been wearing that for so long. So many different colors I put together. So this one is the Berry and it's by MAC. And inside of it, this is LA Girl lipstick. And it's like a brownish nude. It's nude for me, but I absolutely love it. So guys, this is my look. This is my look. And it is time to put on some earrings. These are my Kate Spade earrings that my children gave me for my 46th birthday back in August. So once I put these earrings on, tuck it behind my ears, girls, I was popping, okay? I can say it, yes, I was popping. To be 46 years old, yes, girlfriend, was popping. Now I am putting on all of my silver jewelry because I love white, gold, and silver. So here I am all put together. And now it is time for photos.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you. Cause I got better things to do. Chasing somebody who loves me too. Loves me too, loves me too.
So here is my final look, girls. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one.